You need to start creating content faster. I'm talking about making a month's worth of videos in a single day, and a year's worth without wasting months planning and editing. The clips I showed you at the beginning, they're simple. Each one takes just a few minutes to put together. Accounts using this exact strategy are posting the same type of videos, with the same look, and they're going viral. Just a few hundred posts, and suddenly they've got hundreds of thousands of followers. If you look closely, it's the same content, same layout, same strategy. Now let me show you how I do it. This is part of a pack you can grab today for less than the cost of a takeaway meal. Open CapCut, then open the folder. Inside, you'll find all the clips, plus planners, mock-ups, blueprints, and guides to launch and scale your PLR business in days, not months. Here's the easy part. Select about 10 videos and drop them into your project. I'm using CapCut Desktop, but the mobile version works the same way. Go through, remove the ones you don't like, and keep the best. Let's say you end up with 12. Cut it down until it feels tight. Next, add music or a voiceover. You can pick popular songs or drop in motivational speeches from people like Denzel Washington, Andrew Tate, Thomas Shelby, or Les Brown. Line up the beats with the clips so the video flows. This part is easier than it looks. Just adjust each clip to match the rhythm. Play it back, and now your visuals and audio sync perfectly. Add your text. Write something sharp, emotional, or thought-provoking. If you're stuck, use ChatGPT to give you 100 short, catchy phrases. And if you want to learn how to make videos like this every single day for your faceless page, subscribe to this channel. I'll walk you through tutorials that show you how to create 100 videos a day for Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, all for free. Now let's make it look cooler. Beginners can do this in seconds. Lower the temperature to give it a cold, cinematic feel. Darken the blacks for mood and add a vignette for that mysterious border. And that's it. You've got a viral-ready video. If you want these clips, they're in the bundle. Grab it today and get everything you need to launch and scale your PLR business. But the pack doesn't stop there. Let's look at the budget planner included. Scroll down and you'll see multiple planners you can use for your business, your side hustle, or even your personal life. Bills, subscriptions, payroll, savings, everything is covered. Do you actually track your monthly budget? With this planner, you can. It makes staying ahead of your money simple. Thousands of people are using planners like this to organize their businesses and lifestyles, and this is just one planner. The full bundle comes with several, each designed to save you time and stress. If you think this is helpful, subscribe now. I give away free tutorials, step-by-step blueprints, and newsletters, so you can set up a system like this in days, not months. Check the link in my bio to get the full pack. Now, onto the guides, blueprints, and ebooks. I won't go deep here because this video is just a preview. But here's the truth. These guides show you exactly how to start and scale a PLR business. I've read through them. They're beginner-friendly, easy to understand, and work whether you're 18 or 80. I know sellers making one sale every 12 minutes. That's $50 an hour. Sounds unrealistic, right? That's exactly why you haven't tried it yet. These ebooks and blueprints can help you get started and scale within days. Think about it. A profitable business needs marketing. That's why you're getting blueprints. It needs content. That's why you're getting clips. It needs advertising. That's why you're getting mock-ups. It needs organization. That's why you're getting planners. It needs research. That's why you're getting guides. The only thing missing is the product. And that's exactly what this pack is. The product and the business in one. With PLR and MRR rights, you can edit, brand, and resell everything as your own, keeping 100% of the profits. It's your shortcut to skip years of struggle and finally build something that pays you back. And there's one more piece you'll love, the mock-up bundle. Let's edit one together. If you sell digital products, physical products, courses, or even coloring books, this pack is for you. These mock-ups are Canva ready. Just drag in your product image, adjust the text, and instantly you've got an ad for Facebook, Instagram, Etsy, or your own site. No design skills needed. This bundle gives you everything you need: clips, planners, guides, mock-ups, and blueprints to create, launch, and scale a PLR business in record time. Check the link in my bio to get started today.